Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is journal consideration in constructing objective test items. The second step in test planning is determining the format and length of the test. The format is based on the different type of atoms to be included in the test. The construction of valid and good test atoms is a skill just like effective teaching. Some rules are to be followed and some techniques are to be used to construct good test atoms. Test atoms can be used to assess students' ability to recognize concepts or to recall concepts. Generally, there are two types of objective test atoms, that is select type and supply type. Select type atoms, we have matching atoms according to W. Virisma and S.G. Juras 1990. The matching atoms consist of two parallel columns. The column on the left contains the question to be answered, determine premises. The column on the right the answer termed responses. The student is asked to associate each premise with a response to form a matching pair. For example, column A capital city, column B country. You can see in a given figure. According to W. Virisma and S.J. Juras 1990, in some matching exercise, the number of premises and responses are the same, termed a balanced or perfect matching exercise. In others, the number and responses may be different. Next, we have advantages. The chief advantages of matching exercise is that a good deal of factual information can be tested in minimal time, making the test compact and efficient. They are especially well suited to who, what, when, and where type of subject matter. Further, students frequently find the test fun to take because they have puzzle qualities to them. Next, we study about disadvantages. The principal difficulty with matching exercise is that teachers often find that the subject matter is insufficient in quantity or not well suited for matching atoms. An exercise should be confined to homogeneous atoms containing one type of subject matter, where unlike clusters of questions are used to adopt, but poorly informed students can often recognize the ill-fitting atom by their irrelevant and extraneous nature. Students identify connected atoms from two lists. It is useful for assigning the ability to discriminate, categorize, and association among a similar concept. Suggestions for writing matching atoms. Here are some suggestions for writing matching atoms. Keep both the list of description and list of options fairly short and homogeneous. They should both fit on the same page. Title the list to ensure homogeneity and arrange the description and option in some logical order. If this is possible, you are probably including too wide a variety in the exercise. Try constructing two or more exercise. Second one is make sure that all the options are plausible descriptors for each description to ensure homogeneity of lists. The list of descriptions on the left side should contain the longer phrase or statements, whereas the option on the right side should consist of short phrases, words, or symbols. Fourth one is each description in the list should be numbered and the list of options should be identified by letter. Include more options than description. If the option list is longer than the description list, it is harder for student to eliminate options. If the option list is shorter, some options must be used more than once. Always include some options that do not match any of the descriptions or some that much match more than one or both. Last one is in the direction specify the basis for matching and whether options can be used more than once. B point is multiple choice question, that is MCQs. Normal E. Ground Law 1990 writes that the multiple choice question is probably the most popular as well as the most widely applicable and effective type of objective tests. Student selects a single response from a list of options. It can be used effectively for any level of course outcome. It consists of two parts, the stem which state the problem and a list of 3 to 5 alternatives, one of which is correct answer and the other are distractors. This term may be stated as a directed question or as an incomplete statement. For example, direct question is which is the capital city of Pakistan. Stem A option is Lahore, B is Karachi, C is Islamabad, and D is Peshawar. So today lecture is and I hope you understand and enjoy my lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.